Hi, welcome to another tutorial on Smartweb solutions. If you're visiting this channel for the first time, please do well to hit on the subscribe button and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you get to be notified whenever there's a new video. Alright, so in today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to unban your IP from your Smartweb client area. Okay, so IP address blocking or IP banning is a configuration of a network service that blocks requests from hosts with certain IP addresses. Basically, IP addresses blocking is commonly used to protect against brute force attacks and to prevent access by a disruptive address. It can also be used to restrict access to or from a particular geographical area. For example, syndicating content to a specific region through the use of internet geolocation. Now, a website may temporarily block your IP if it detects unusual traffic or you've triggered too many error codes. So while you can change your IP addresses easily, you can mask it using a VPN or a proxy server. So because the block is temporary, you will usually be able to access the site again in 1 or 2 days. But in this video, I will be showing you how to whitelist all the blocked IPs you have from your client area. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to log into your client area, and that is by visiting the Smartweb website and click on client login. So when you click on client login, you enter your details and login. That is, you enter your email address, your client area email address, and of course the password, and then you log in. Now, when you log into the client area, you click on services on the drop down somewhere on the top right and select my services. So when you select my services, you then choose the product where it says active. Okay, so you click on active. Now when you click on active, it takes you to the next page. Now on this page, there's a list of items somewhere on the left side of your screen, and on that list you have different features there, and on the last one you have IP unban center. You click on IP unban center. So when you do that, it takes you to the page where you can unban your IP. Okay, so this is very critical. Now if you look at this page very well, you could see a padlock somewhere on the right that says unban. Now when you click this padlock, it pops out with your IP address just to verify. Okay, so you can check if that IP is banned, and that's by clicking on the check icon you have here. Click on it. So it's actually verifying whether this particular IP is banned. Well, it takes a little while before the process is completed. Okay, so the result is out and it shows that the IP is not banned. Now, if the other was the case, if we had a situation where the IP was banned, it will pop out the information that the IP is banned, and you will be able to unban the IP from this same padlock here. So the process is very simple. Following the steps that were just highlighted, you should be able to unban your IP if it is banned. Okay, so those are just the simple steps on how to whitelist your IP from your client area. If you have any further question as regards this particular tutorial, please leave them in the comment section and be sure that you will get a response. All right, thank you so much for joining me on this tutorial, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you're visiting the channel for the first time. And I'll see you some other time with another tutorial.